Let's talk about band protocol and we'll do some price analysis. So hello, welcome to Operation Crypto and welcome to today's video. Please make sure you do like this video and you are subscribed to my channel to be notified. We're going to be pushing out new videos, trying to get a good 2 to 3 week minimum at the moment. So we are going to be talking about band protocol today. I have done previous price analysis videos, some when you should have got a potential entry point, and I do think some of them areas may have passed now. Bitcoin's been on an incredible run, and I do think that altcoins will start to follow soon. We've not had much of a movement. We've had a good 5-10% across some alts, but some of them have not moved as much as Bitcoin has. So I do think that alts will take over at some point, and we just need Ethereum to pop and everything else to follow it, and possibly XRP too. So today we will look at band protocol. We will have a look at a potential area to buy in if we do get a drop, and then we'll have a look at some targets where the price could go in the next month or two, and see if we could either target some sells to take some profit or just ride it through and have a look where the price could potentially go. So let's get cracking into today's video. Band protocol, which is ticker BAND, is currently ranked 83 out of all cryptocurrencies that we have listed on CoinMarketCap. We have a token price today, which is the 18th of November 2020 of $6.24. We have a total supply of 100 million band, and out of those in circulation it's around 20%. There's 20.4 million in circulation. We're getting 24-hour volume of $132 million, which is more than the entire market cap, which today is $128 million. If we just look at where that volume is predominantly getting traded, and the top one there, Binance, it is getting traded against Binance, against Tether. You're getting 15% of the market there. If you just scroll down, I don't think we're trading against BTC. No, we're not down there now. So we haven't listed quite a few exchanges. If you just scroll down and you're looking to get hold of band, then you have 101 recognised pairs. Don't buy it on fucking Burger Swap, because I've never heard of Burger Swap, and that just sounds absolutely horrendous. Getting zero volume there anyway. But you can see we're listed on quite a few exchanges. You can get on Uniswap, Bitfum Global, Whitebit. I'm surprised it's quite up there, but one of the leading exchanges. Huobi, Balancer. So there's some good exchanges there, and if you are looking to get, it is quite easily to get hold of. One thing that we're mainly interested in here is all-time highs, which is $17.69, and that was in August the 10th this year, and that's when pretty much we had the DeFi bubble, that boom, everything shot up. Ethereum shot up, Link and Band were pretty much leading that race, and a lot of the DeFi sector, a lot of the tokens of it all-time highs, and then ever since we've had a good retracement. If we looked at Band last time, we did a 61% retracement, and that has happened pretty much across all altcoins. So the DeFi sector did lead the charge on altcoins, the hit all-time highs, and a lot of altcoins have now done a 61% retracement on the Fibonacci levels. So I think that we are at some good potential levels to get in before a potential alt season. It's not confirmed yet. We just need to monitor. I think, like I said at the beginning, we need to monitor Ethereum and XRP and see if they manage to lead the way. So that is the key stats of the network. We'll jump over to TradingView now, and we'll do a bit of technical analysis in regards to price action. Here we have Band versus Tether. This is a Binance chart. It is getting pretty much all most of the volume going through Binance, and I personally trade on Binance. So we'll have a look at this. This is a monthly time frame. I have already got a few key areas marked up from the last few videos I've done. I have deleted a few just to give us a bit of a blank canvas, and have a look at some new potential areas we could target. So I have already got my all-time high marked up, which for once CoinMarketCap did get it right. It's around $17.80, and we have got a couple of weak levels down here. But what I'm just going to do, just to start off fresh, is mark up some key areas of support and resistance. And I always start at a monthly level, drop into a weekly, and then the daily if needed. And I don't think we have any more monthly levels that have been created since the last video. I think it was about 6 weeks since I did the last one. When I'm looking to plot a level of support and resistance, I'm pretty much looking for 2 weeks, and I will show you on my weekly time frame now. So we've got no monthly levels there, really. I mean, you could do a box method and catch some of these wicks, but I prefer to do it just a single horizontal line. So we'll drop into a weekly. And we will start at the top and just work his way down and see if we got two areas that pretty much land on. So this to me here, if we just mark this up so as a first level. So if you look at this wick here, we rejected off that and we also rejected off it there. So that to me confirms that is a key area of weekly resistance. We'll just change that to a weekly. I've got that already set up. And we'll just, like I say, we'll work his way down and see how many we can get. I can't see he's going to imagine because this did pretty much a crazy pump. He could say there's one there, but I'm not going to mark that up. It's a little bit too close in my opinion. Scrolling further down, see if we can see anything else. It's very, very close to having one there, but we've still not touched it. Nothing there. I don't think we're going to get many levels, to be honest, on a weekly time frame. I think it's going to be all on the daily. There's one level there. So that wick there, we actually bounced off that as support on the 14th of September. Come on, we actually did it as support twice, and we pretty much closed the body on that area as well. So that is another weekly area. I think we've got enough there. There's not going to be any lower, I don't think. We'll drop into the daily time frame. First up, just before I put a couple of levels of support and resistance on, I just want to show you what I mentioned earlier on about the Fibonacci and the 61% retracement. So if you're looking to invest, and if I'm looking to invest, and I see that a project that I like, it's done quite a major move, but I think I want a good entry point. I'll put the Fibonacci on from the bottom of that move, so I use closed bodies. So I drag it from there, and I finish it there on that double top that we had. And you can see it gives you some percentage levels down here. Just move it across a little bit further. So I always look for the 61% retracement level. We bounced off it a couple of times, and then we rejected through it, and we come all the way down to a 786 level. Sometimes if you lose that level and you lose the weekly supports, then that is the next level. Usually if the weekly or monthly supports line up with Fibonacci's, then it does give you a better idea that we're going to hit, and we did it with 786 level and we've bounced up since there. So I do think that the entry point is gone now. I think that would have been the key entry point to have, and we just need to have a look at what's going on currently. So first I'm just going to mark a few areas of daily support if we have any. Again, we'll start from the top and just work his way down and see what we can get. So that is, you can see on that week level we rejected off that area quite a few times. Let's just work his way down and see what we can get, and that to me looks like a level there. So we acted as resistance quite a few times. So change that to a daily. I do my dailies in green, and this will now give us some other key areas to target in the future. So we've got another level there, acted as support there, come right through and rejected off it there. So that's another key level of daily. That will be currently resistance at current prices. Let's move his way down, see what else we can see. Got a good level there. If you look at his wick, we actually rejected off it 1, 2, 3 times. Rejected off that area there. That is probably going to be the next area to target if just looking at the chart in a quick glance. Let's see if we got one in the middle ground. I think there's one around there. If you look at a big wick that dropped, we acted as support and then we rejected off it. So that's another level. I do think that we've got enough levels in place there now. What I want to do as well is just put the EMAs on, just have a look at them. Last time I did the a video, we were getting across. We did a video around then, I believe. Was it? No, I don't think it was that. Anyway, if you go back in time, I must have done it on the week. It might have been that cross there. I was looking for a cross downwards, and it did come down. And now we've had a cross upwards, and it does look like we're going to start pushing up. And I do think that with what's going on with Bitcoin, it has pumped up to around $18,500. If I just look at Ethereum in a second, Ethereum's currently $479. So I do think if that Ethereum starts pushing up towards $500, it's going to drag up all the DeFi sector and all the altcoins, and that's what we're looking for. So if you're looking for an entry point, this would be a good entry point in my opinion. $5.76. If we do lose this level, then it's coming back down to 786 at $4.36. But in my opinion, I don't quite think that's going to happen. So what I need to do is potentially look at buying in here. I mean, we have dropped back down to support a few hours ago. We did have a bit of a dump, but it is starting to recover. If you're looking to get in, I do think this could be a good area to buy in. If you're buying, but just make sure you put a stop loss on it at first. If it does drop, then you're going to be quite safe from your initial investment. The first target to hit is $7.53. If you're looking to trade this, and we look at that as a price perspective, if you're looking from current prices at this weekly level up to this daily, then that could be a potential 31% move, and that's without any leverage. So if you're looking to put a leverage trade on, I wouldn't advise going high leverage, but up to a 5 or 6 or 7% leverage, and I think that could work out as a good trade. With regards to investment, I do think this is a perfect time to invest for the long term. We have done a major move down, and we've seen where it's been. It's been all the way up here. I mean, look at them wicks up there. That was $17, and I think it is now time to start pushing back up. We've done that retracement that I'm looking for, and I do think it's time to move up. What I need to do just to confirm the bullish bias is move above this level at $7.50. If we close a daily body above this candle, then this is the next level at $9.54. There's not much in between that really. You've got no, I mean, you could say there's another level around there, but I mean, well, $8 really. If you look at $8, $9, $10, they're all psychological levels to target, but that is my first target. If we need to push forward and close above $7.52 on the daily time frame, and then that will give us a bullish momentum, we can start pushing up. So that is analysis where you could potentially buy it. I do think that this was very to buy in. And if you look at buying here and it drops, then just dollar cost average down or have a stop loss in place. So that is today's analysis on band. Like I say, if we close above it, and then if we take this level, I will readdress this video. So if we're coming back up towards $10, I'll do another video, get rid of some of these levels and put some fresh levels on and see where that can take us. So that will do it for today's video. Please make sure you do like this video and subscribe to my channel. Also make sure you do join my Telegram group, which is Crypto Troops. The link will be in the description and pinned in the comments, so you can find it there. So that will do for today. Thanks very much for watching. I'll catch you next time.